So, how employers and job hunters view the job search differently. Let's discuss about this. So, did you know that the way we look for jobs is often different from how employers look for their new employees? Let's break down. So, we all know that there are jobs, right? But finding the right one can be challenging. The main reason is, see, employers and job seekers don't approach the job search in the same way. It's like they are speaking different languages. For example, if I am a job seeker, I would rather think that let me send an email with our resume. That is the right move. But for some employers, only accepting resume through their website. So if we don't follow their rules, our resume might not even get seen. We follow the rules. We write resume, we create a beautiful cover letter, we use recruiters' help, we respond to the Naukri.com's online job postings. But guess what? Employers don't start looking at resumes. So they prefer to hire someone who they already know or have a connection with. When the job opens up, they are more likely to look within their company first. So, an unsolicited resume from someone they don't know isn't as appealing. So, check out this chart. It shows that the different ways employers prefer to find new employees versus how we look for jobs. So, number one, from within. Employers like to promote current employees or hire the temporary employees they already know. So, implication for job hunters is try to get hired as temporary or contract worker at your desired company, because if you are hired as a temporary worker or a temporary employee, then there are chances that the employer will keep you as a permanent employee, and then you will be promoted from within, right? That is the first step for employers to look for new employees. Number second is using proof. So employers hire someone who can show proof of their skills, right? So if you are a designer, if you are a graphic designer or um, social marketing manager, you can probably bring a portfolio or the case study to prove what you can do. In fact, if you are a company secretary or a legal professional, then you can also bring on the cases you have handled. So you can always illustrate what kind of work you have done so that you can show your skills to them. Number third is using a best friend or business colleague. So employers also, the third thing they trust is they trust recommendations from friends or colleagues. So in that case, I would suggest you to network with people who can introduce you to employers. So here, networking is the magic word. You need to network within like in online or offline. Online, you can network into LinkedIn. You can reach out to the mentors or the leaders in the industry you are seeking your job into. Then the fourth one is employers also use recruiters, specific recruiters they know. So they for legal and legal staff hiring, they probably reach legal recruiters, and IT companies go for IT recruiters. So you need to identify as a job hunter, you need to identify and come into good relationship with the recruiters. So if you are a legal person and you are a job hunter, then you need to get in touch with the recruiters, and have good relationship with them. Once you get in touch with them, they probably, after reviewing your CV and after reviewing your profile, they might refer you to the employers. Number fifth is employers post jobs on various platform, Indeed, Naukri, and other Times jobs, and also LinkedIn jobs. So you can apply directly through job postings from these portals. And the sixth one is using a resume. Sometimes employers look at unsolicited resume, but it's very, very rare. So your resume might get noticed if the employer is desperate, but it's not the best strategy. So here, if you can see that employers and job hunters often approach the job search differently. So if you are a job seeker or a job hunter, then you will start your process using a resume and start sending to different places, and that's the last step employers look for when they are looking for a new employee, if you can see from this chart. So, by understanding these differences, you can better align your job search strategy with how employers actually hire. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks and how you can improve your job search. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.